How to integrate Cardinity into WooCommerce, uploading manually. Download the Cardinity plugin from WordPress Marketplace. Link can be found in the description. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. On the top left, click Upload Plugin. Then choose File. And choose the downloaded plugin zip file. Click Install Now. Wait for the installation process to finish. Then click Activate Plugin. Next is Configuration. Go to WooCommerce Settings. Navigate to Payments tab. Make sure the Cardinity Payment Gateway method is enabled. On the right, click on Manage. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Save the changes to complete the installation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or through our website.